Hello and welcome back to the channel where we are making a video game from scratch using Love2d and Lua. So today's going to be a short day. I had a huge day at work and then a lot of side project work. So I'm very tired and I've got work early in the morning, so I can't do much, but we're still going to go forward with trying to tackle the hardest thing next. So I think the only challenging thing left is our final cinematic once we win the loot minigame. So we need to find a way to kind of systematically update the global map table to change all tile IDs of one number into another. So it's not too hard. It's not too hard. Gosh, yeah, I'm very tired. I don't think I'm gonna get very far. But let's just kind of take a look at how we might do this, and we'll kind of just plan it out, and maybe tomorrow we'll try to tackle it, because I just don't have it in me. So our tiled application exports tile IDs into a big table. It's like literally just one table full of tile IDs, and that table consists of the ground level tiles, the above ground level tiles, the top level tiles. So if we look in our global map here, we can see what that looks like. It's like I said, a big table of tile IDs. So this is what our game's using to render tile by tile based on ID by ID. So we have this thing called cursor. What is it called? Pictures. What is it called? Pictures. Master sheet numbered, something like that. I cannot find it. It's called numbers. It's called tiled numbers or something. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah, it's got to be here. I am so tired. I can't even look at this thing, man. What? Tiles numbered. Here we go. Jeez. Okay. Okay, so look at this. (102 to 105). That is our drawable for the corrupted water. So basically, for the cinematic, all we're doing, we're going to show a scene with corrupted water. We're going to play some music. We're going to fade to black. We're going to change the global tile IDs to be non-corrupted water. Fade in. We see clean water. Play some little pretty music. And then it'll say thanks for playing or whatever. Stay tuned for the full game. So if we look at 102 to 105 here, we have this water anim starter. We just give it the tile ID of the starter tile. let's see where we use this water anim starter. Yeah, okay. So we basically have this thing here where we're inserting into the animatables a water, what is a water.frame? We look at what water is. Water is an anim spitter, and it takes in 3 parameters. It is a starting point, a time. 105 is an ending quad, starting quad, ending quad. So we give it the starter, we give it the ending quad, which we could also turn into a number. Okay, so the idea here is we make this will become corrupted water anim, then we'll have an uncorrupted water anim, and we basically need to cycle through, we need to index into our global map tiles on the ground level layer, search for any tile with an index of a corrupted water anim starter, and then we need to replace it with a corrupted or an uncorrupted water starter if we trigger something, right? So we might kind of like bake it a little bit for the demo, in the sense that we'll export in our global map one tile, one same map with corrupted water, one same map with uncorrupted water, just because we'd have to actually overwrite the values in the global.map in order for it to reload on the scenes. Like, it's one thing to just get it rendering in like a special cinematic, but it's another thing to get the game to understand that when you go to that scene, it's a new tile ID. So maybe there's a way we can bake it by updating the anim spitter for the global water. We just change it to uncorrupted water. Maybe that works because the anim spitter is global. So maybe we can do it like that, and then we technically don't change the corrupted water in the global map.lua. But in the game, if we've toggled the uncorrupt your waters, then the anim spitter gets globally updated to insert the non-corrupted water instead of the corrupted water. So I think that's what we're gonna have to do. You know, and I hate to say it, but I think I gotta call it a night, because I'm just basically dead. So no programming tonight. I mean, dude, I had a full day of work, and then I did like 6 hours of programming on a website for Salto. So I did my programming for today. I definitely did. I just didn't stream it. But we're still committed. We're trying to finish the demo by April 1st, at least all the major moving parts. Then we polish, and then release. Hopefully the polish only takes like a week. Hoping no longer than a week. Hopefully we can get a couple good long days of polish, and then we should be good. So thanks for hanging, Loki, if that's you. Sorry it's not a long stream, but you know, just one of those days. It's just a bad day. So thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow. We'll actually do some actual programming, and then yeah, thanks, man. You have a good night. Yeah, I need some rest for sure. So I got on here. I did my programming for the day. You know, I started this whole channel just to program 5 minutes a day. I've definitely hit my quota for the day. But then the streaming takes in, and I'm like, oh, I can't miss a day streaming. So I wanted to at least kind of give an update. So that's what we're going to do tomorrow. Finish the ending cinematic for the demo, and start worrying about updating an ending cinematic and how that might work for the game. So take it easy. Get some good rest. I know I will try to. Thanks for watching.